Today is the day. Finally, I got my hands on the Meta Quest 3. I know it's been a long time since it came out, but I was just skeptical about how good it is. But I watched the reviews on YouTube and I was like, this might be it. So my first experience with VR headset goes back to the release of Samsung Odyssey back in 2017. And that headset really blew me away. It was a really good headset. I remember playing Half-Life Alyx and I fell in love. But the only problem I had with the Samsung Odyssey was the resolution. So I was playing the game and I could see the pixels. Meta Quest 3 is actually twice as much pixels. So I'm hoping that I'm not going to be able to see that pixelation and the pixel when I'm playing games. I know it's been a year later, but I guess you've been waiting for me to do it, right? And this bundle has a Batman Arkham Shadow game included. Alright, so first thing first, we have the controller. This is how you hold it, and it's actually a pretty good grip. I like the texture and the placement is really good. Here's the star of the show. So we have a charging cable and we also have a power brick. Just getting a thumbnail. The quality is good. It's just a little bit plasticky and I guess that's expected, but it's like a really high quality plastic. So we got these lenses in the front for the AR mode. So it has like a pass through so you can see what's going on around you. And we have a bunch of sensors on the side as well for like hand tracking and stuff like that. And we got the famous pancake lens inside. One more thing that I hate about the VR headset is like the straps. It's really gonna mess up your hair. On one side we have a charging port, and I believe this one on the right side is the headphone jack. And also we have speakers on the handles, and we have a spot to put it on the charging station. We have buttons to control it. I'm not sure what it is for. And we can adjust the distance between the lenses as well. And right off the bat, I can see the light coming through from the nose part. If you have like a small nose, it's gonna be a problem. This is crazy. I really like that I can actually see the outside world. I mean, the quality is not something that you actually gonna be like, oh, it's not gonna make a difference. It's actually a really bad quality video path through. Maybe it's just dark on the other side. Actually, as far as the weight goes, I feel like a brick in front of my face that pulls my head downwards. Honestly, the quality is good, but I can still see the pixels. I was hoping that the pixels would be a lot smaller than what it is right now. I guess that's what the technology is right now. I don't know. Okay, so I set everything up. I had to connect it to the charger because these things run through the battery like hell, and I only had 20%, so I had to connect it. I tried everything, and the hand tracking is actually pretty good and it detects it where it was, but so far the pass-through quality is terrible. I don't like the video quality of the pass-through, but I guess that's what we have. And honestly, and I can like switch between the worlds with the tap on the headset. And the thing is, I don't really like the quality of the 3D worlds. It still give me the same feeling as my old headset. I thought it's gonna be like really higher resolution. I just don't understand why is it blurry. Maybe it's just the rendering in the headset. I don't know if you can see this in the video, but the world is very blurry. It's not sharp like when you play like video games. But it's cool that you can travel into like 3D worlds and everything. And this is pretty much, I guess this is the metaverse that they're talking about. I don't like it that it's not sharp. That's my issue. Nah, I'm not liking this. I don't know if you can see this. This is like pretty much very blurry and pixelated. I don't like it. And we can just choose different worlds that people created. It shows how many people are in there. You can see some data. It shows the charging of everything. You can change the brightness and everything, volume, devices. And I was trying to see if I can update it to the latest version, and it's actually the latest. Hopefully the game is gonna be a lot better the audio quality of the speaker is really good. Yeah, same thing again. The world is blurry on the distance, even close up. My hand looks good, but the world is like blurry. But it's nice to live in a 3D world though. Oh, okay. It's actually feels like I'm in the game. That's nice. I need to actually reach for it. It needs some time to get used to. I need to reach. Okay, so what do I do? All right. What do I do? You see, everything is like blurry. How much pressure it puts on my face. It's actually very uncomfortable just to wear this for like a long period of time. Overall, I gotta say, I mean, everything is good about this, but I didn't like the video pass through. I didn't like the quality of the visuals of 3D worlds. And right now I kind of have a headache because of the amount of pressure it puts on your face. I have to try it with the PC to see if that's gonna be better. I'm not sure. If you know more about it, leave a comment and let me know. For now, it just wasn't that good of an experience. Okay, so I spent a lot of time in VR in the past couple of days. As you can see here, I got all the accessories to make it more comfortable, and I have my final thoughts about the Meta Quest 3. So let's talk about it. First off, let's go over the cons that I noticed so far. So I talked about the blurriness of the visuals. That's actually a huge thing because when you go to like 3D environments, it's just the distance is blurry, and apparently that's by design just to save more battery. But there are ways to get that eliminated. So you can install apps that are paid for, so it will improve the quality of the visuals. But the thing is, it will kill the battery even faster. And that brings me to number 2 con of this VR headset. The battery life is just not much. It's barely anything, because every time I'm trying to enjoy my experience, it just gives me a warning the battery is dying. So I mean, I had to purchase a battery pack with the head strap and everything just to keep this thing going if I wanted to be able to actually enjoy it. And con number 3 is the comfort. Although it is the lightest VR headset out there with these capabilities, it is uncomfortable. The original head strap is just stop the circulation of the blood, and also the cushions around the eyes for the stock version wasn't good at all. It was too much pressure, and the fabric wasn't good at all either. I actually got a different cushion for around the eyes from Amazon, and it's a gel substance, so it takes away the pressure, and also it's gonna keep my eyes cooler. And the fabric around it is softer. That's perfect. I'm going to tag the link to these accessories in the description so you can check them out for yourself. And also a huge improvement as far as the accessories goes. This is the head strap. You get more cushions on the top part, and you have a lot more cushion in the back as well. The best part is it has a knob to adjust everything. So you just easily open and close super fast, and you can just put it on your head. It comes with the battery pack as well. This is a 10,000 milliamp battery, so it gives you around 2 hours more of charge. And it's like magnetic, so you can just charge it, put it in here, and you're good to go. And also I got the charging station. It's not necessary, but it's nice to have because you can put your controllers here and it will charge the controller and also charge the headset. But I don't see it as necessary as this head strap and the cushion around the eyes, because you can just charge the battery pack and connect it to the VR headset and you should be good to go. But if you want something to place your VR headset, this is not bad. And also the hand tracking is good, but it's not that great. Sometimes there's a hit and miss with the hand tracking. Another negative part is the video pass-through. The video pass-through is horrible. It's just so grainy, so low quality. I don't know. I saw videos on YouTube, people saying, oh, you cannot tell a difference between reality and the videos of the pass-through. you can definitely tell because the video feed is garbage. Now we get to the best part of this VR headset. So I was complaining a lot about the visuals of this VR headset. When I tried the PC VR, you can connect it to the PC so you can play VR games on your PC directly on the headset, and that was phenomenal. I played the Half-Life Alyx again. I remember playing it back in 2017 and I stopped it because I didn't like the VR experience back then. But honestly, the quality of this VR headset is superb. When you play PC VR, it is crisp, clear. You don't really notice the pixels because after a while you forget about them. I really enjoyed it. I actually asked my wife to try this VR when I was playing the Half-Life Alyx. She had nightmares because of the visuals. I mean, she really felt she's in there in the environment because that's how you really feel. Another thing with VR, you cannot really play for too long because you might get like motion sickness or eye strains, you know, stuff like that. But overall, it was a really good experience when I played PC VR. So that's my primary use of this VR headset. I don't really do it like a standalone, but I tried the Batman Arkham. Although the visuals are not as great as the PC VR, it is okay. It is fine. You can get used to it. If you get past that visual lackness, you can enjoy the game and it really immerses you. Also, the App Store is really good. You have tons of apps. You can open the browser. You can do whatever you want in the VR environment. This thing is basically a computer on your face. So you can do a lot actually with this thing. So when you look at your computer, it's gonna pop up the screen. And that one was really good as well because you have a really huge high quality screen in front of you as well. So you can actually work with your, I don't know, mouse and keyboard and you see everything in the VR headset. Overall, that's my take on the Meta Quest 3. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, if you have any tips for me, you can leave them down in the comment section. I still need more time to experience all of the features of this headset, but so far I'm happy with what I got at this price. I'm actually gonna do a video about how to improve the quality of the VR headset Meta Quest 3 using the free version and also the paid version. If you wanna see that video, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.